So hey guys, for today we have DQ. So we have chicken strip with fries here, and I have buffalo sauce. You can't see because of the container. But anyway, it's this.
And then
we have some fries.
Also got the cheeseburger. This is part of their promotion.
Yeah.
I think it's like 2 for $5.50. So the cheeseburger, and then I also got the wrap, the chicken wrap.
Mm-hmm.
And then
we have a drink, iced tea,
and of course
the blizzard.
if you're going to DQ, you might as well make it worthwhile.
Right, let's eat. Chicken strip. I love their chicken strip. I was supposed to get gravy, I forgot. Buffalo sauce.
Yeah. This is a chicken wrap, which is essentially a chicken strip with just like ranch sauce and cheese and some lettuce, I think.
Let's see what else I have here for the sauce. I'm gonna try it with the McDonald's sweet and sour.
I swear the compartment of our car is just full of sauces from different restaurants because that's all we've been doing. I don't know how it is in the States right now, but
Here,
Toronto is in lockdown again starting yesterday. So there's no more indoor dining again. Which sucks.
for the billionth time.
Yeah. So now we're back to eating in the car all the time. I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm just so over this pandemic. I feel like everyone is, but...
No, chips is good.
I got my fries.
We were ordering the drink. Yeah, it's like, what drink would you like? I like Coke.
Or do you have Pepsi?
It's like, nasty? Sure.
It's like whatever you have, whatever you heard, that's fine. I love their fries.
Good, right? How's the wrap?
It's good. You want to see?
What is inside? Ranch?
Yeah, ranch sauce. I like their ranch sauce actually. I mean, DQ is still pretty expensive for fast food. Especially if you compare it to Burger King. Burger King, you could get like a full meal for $5. The drink and fries and like two burgers.
DQ is so pricey.
I know that this small thing, the blizzard, is like almost $5. And this is a mini size. But I love DQ. When I was much bigger, like I think like 40 pounds ago, I used to be able to finish, well, I used to buy like the largest like blizzard and I can finish it on my own. How is it?
Good. Try the burger.
Can you remove the pickles? I forgot to ask them to remove the pickles.
What burger is this? Cheeseburger? Can you open it?
Can you get me a tissue first?
Why?
Because the ranch sauce is in my face. I just licked my thumb. It tasted like alcohol.
Damn, that's a big pickle.
There's like 3, right? 3 pieces.
So this is their cheeseburger. It tastes like
McDonald's?
right.
I feel like the patty tastes better.
It's bigger.
It's much thicker than McDonald's. I feel like we should have gotten another drink.
I told you. I have water in my bag. Rice. What ice cream is that?
It's a chocolate chip cookie dough.
Hamburger. Finish it.
I can finish it.
It's like one bite.
For someone who has a Big Mac like yours.
It tastes like McDonald's.
But better. Yo, there's no more.
Look at my water.
It's so far.
I love their chicken strips. A long time ago, McDonald's had chicken strips.
Really? Where you were young?
Yeah, they were so good. But they took it out the menu.
I never knew that they had.
Yeah, no more drink!
Oh, I guess you gotta go to the back.
Eat the ice cream.
I will. I'm just eating my fries first. I love their fries and I love Costco's fries.
I like Popeye's fries.
They never had curly fries here, no? For McDonald's?
They had crisp cut fries before.
Oh, so like the one like Chick-fil-A's?
Yeah.
Time for the ice cream. They don't put this upside down now here. They used to, I think. You know how like
when you
before-
get it inside, not on the drive-thru.
What if they do it and it falls in your car? When I was a kid, I used to look forward to them like turning it upside down. Like I really wanted it to fall through.
Try it now. How is it?
Good. I like cookie dough.
You have the fries. I like the Kit Kat.
Do you have the Kit Kat here?
Yes, we got it already. But not all the time.
I used to get the extra large. It was the size of the Kit Kat. Yeah, that's so good.
So, that's it for today, guys. See you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.